Hey friends, this is another step in the process. This is reverse osmosis. So this process effectively removes water without boiling. So what happens is, this is some of the sap I collected, and there's the intake line. So the sap that I collected comes in through this hose. So you can trace the blue hose. It comes into this bucket. This bucket has a bunch of different things in it, including a pump in the bottom. And then it first comes through a filter. Filters out some of the stuff in the bottom. You can see some floaties and things from the trees. And then after it goes through the filter, it comes through these 3 containers. These are reverse osmosis membranes. And what happens is, you can hear a little motor in there, and it pumps the sap across the membranes at a relatively high pressure, about 100 to 150 psi. And the water, the pure water, goes through the middle, and the sap basically stays on the outside. And so what I'm doing is removing pure water. So this is the water, look how clear it is. And then sap. And this sap right now is at about 2%. The original sap I took out is only at about 1%. So I am effectively removing almost half of the water from the sap. So I'm saving myself a lot of time up front, not having to boil as quickly. But on a large scale maple syrup producers have big machines that do this. This is just kind of a hobby-sized machine. It's called the RO bucket. The guy out of New York makes these really nice rigs. So that is reverse osmosis. And tomorrow we will be boiling this stuff, concentrated sap. You can see the color. I mean, look at the color difference. That's pure water. It's called permeate. That's called concentrate, or in this case, concentrated sap.